All right, welcome to OnlineMaths TV. My name is Jakes Anemo, and today we have a very simple challenge on logarithm. Okay, so the question says simplify log 6 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. And number 2 says giving log 2x minus 3 to base 10 minus log open bracket x plus 1 close bracket base 10 or equal to 1. What will be the value of x? But before we continue, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever we drop a wonderful video. Without much waste of time, let's go into today's challenge. All right, let's have some fun then. X, number 1, we have log base 6 base 6 minus log 3 base 2. This is equal to. Now, according to the division law of logarithm, it says that when you have minus divide the log. The law says that if you have your log m all over n base a, this is same thing as log your m base a minus log n base a. This is the law. Now, from this law, the question is given in this form, which is this. So let's send it back to this form. And so this expression becomes log 6 all over 3 close bracket base 2. If you watch carefully, 3 into 6 will give us 2. So we have 2 base 2. And there is another law which says that the log of any number base itself is 1. The law says a log of a base a is equal to 1. So if we succumb to that law, this expression will automatically give us 1. Simple as A, B, C, D. Okay, so that leads us to the second question, which is, let's take down our second question, number 2, which is log bracket open 2x minus 3 close bracket base 10 minus log bracket open x plus 1 close bracket base 10 all equal to 1. Now, look at this. We are still going to apply this division law. Okay, so this questionnaire is in this form. So let's convert it to this form again. And by so doing, we introduce log to base 10 on this other side. So if we do that, this will give us something like this. So let's proceed from here. This will give us log bracket open 2x minus 3 close bracket divided by x plus 1 close bracket all to base 10 equal to, we introduce log to base 10 on this side. This will give us log 10 base 10 because the log of any number base itself is 1. So if we do this, the whole of this same thing as this one here. So if we do this, take note, here we are having log this base 10 and log 10 base 10. So this will equally be written as log 2x minus 3 all over x plus 1 close bracket base 10 equal to log 10 base 10. Okay, so from here, we strike out this. This will take care of this. Simple. So we cannot equate this to this other side. So this automatically will give us bracket open 2x minus 3 all over x plus 1 close the bracket equal to 10. Then we can go ahead and open up this bracket and there cross multiply because this is all over invisible 1. So if we do that, this will automatically give us 2x minus 3 equals to 10 into x plus 1 close bracket. Any confusion? Now, but before we continue, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button to get notified whenever we drop new videos, because in this channel, we drop videos every day. Okay, for your phone, we drop video every day. So let's go ahead again. This is a very simple challenge. So from here, this will now give us here 2x minus 3. Open up this bracket to give us here 10x plus 10. Collect your items. This will now give us 2x. Send this to this other side minus 10x equal to 10. Bring this back to this side to give you plus 3. So with this will give you minus 8x equal to, you will have 13. We are looking for s, so divide through by minus 8. So we have here minus 8, minus 8. Okay, so from here, this will take care of this. So therefore, Rx is equal to minus 13 all over 8. QED. So QED. All right, as simple as ABCD. Okay, but despite the simplicity of this arithmetic, if you love what we're doing here, give us a thumbs up. Drop it in the comments by saying thanks, Jay, to encourage us. Okay, and also if you have a better method, a better pattern, a better way of solving this, drop it in the comment section so that we can equally learn from you. Because like I told you, we are looking for the best brains around the world to learn from. Okay, even as we teach others. All right, thanks for being there. Remember, I love you, and OnlineMaths TV loves you too. Thanks for your time. Thanks for being there. Bye for now.